Today, I'm bringing for you this program. I'm bringing for you this website. Are you among the people that really need financial help? Are you among the individuals that says, I really need emergency financial help? Yes, if you're there, any more aside, this is your video today. Make sure you watch it till the end. Before I bring for you this website, by the way, it is good, it is free of charge, it is accessible everywhere you are. I received a call from a friend who told me God has forgotten me indeed. I said, no, God has not forgotten you. But I asked the reason, why do you think God has forgotten you? And the answer was like, most people have abandoned me. Most people no longer want to know that I do exist. Why do you think these people abandoned him, in quotes? It's because he has been in need of money in and out. It's because he has been really down without money. And they've tried their best giving him money, but of course they cannot give money for the rest of their life. So the video of telling you can get money from wherever you are. But there are some people who don't believe that there is a platform, a crowdfunding platform like beggingmoney.com. Now, let me tell you, this platform is free. This platform is legit. It is not a scam at all. One, they don't ask you any money for you to invest in such that you can get crowdfunding. No. You go there, state your reasons why you need this money. They are donors. They are people who are there to touch the lives of people outside there. How do you access this money? This money or these donations, you can access them by going to your browser and write beggingmoney.com. When you write there beggingmoney.com, they are going to take you to an interface that shows you can get money for free. You can get money from people who are there to help you. The interface will be like this. What do you need to know? What do you need to do next? I don't want you to be in haste. I don't want you to feel, no, I think I don't want to be it. No, there are a lot of people who are giving testimonies on this website. Most people have received money in various categories. What are these categories? We have more than 18 categories under beggingmoney.com. You will find there for school fees, people for rent, people for medical bills, dental, maybe someone died and left bills behind. You'll find there a lot of categories. Now your category might be, or it is there, why really you need money badly, or it is emergent, you want money. So what you do, after keying in this website, beggingmoney.com, go and find a form. You're going to see where they're asking you, ask money. How do you ask money? You're going to fill the form. But before you fill the forms, there are things you need to know on this website. One, you need to know that you are going to be precise, you are going to be real, and you're going to talk exactly. You are not going to sugarcoat, or you're not going to even ask money, just you need $4,000. Only that, for help. What exactly do you need $4,000? Say it in simple terms and be precise. Your money is going to be got in no time. So what do you need to do on this form? This form, you're going to fill it from up to down. You're going to state the title. The title is always simple. You can see like these titles. These titles, one was talking about the funding and what. You just see these titles. Then after putting the title, let the title be precise and catchy. The second one, you're going to talk about your name. Yeah, you're going to write your name. I want to inform you that your name is not going to be public it's not going to be seen by the public. It is going to be confidential. Then your email, after your email, you're going to write exactly why do you want this emergency or financial assistance. This financial assistance should be in at least 400 words. And when they talk about 400 words, you have to be precise and you have to explain why and what you need it for. Then later, you're going to select and look for your location. Now, when we talk about location, there are some people who say they don't access this service or this website on their browser. Do you know why they don't access? It's because maybe they're in Africa like Uganda and Nigeria, you might not access this. So if you want to access this, just use VPN. The moment you go through VPN, just download it, you'll access it. So go and look for location. Location, you'll find Africa, you'll find whichever country you want, you will pin it there. From this location, you are again going down to see type of category. This is what I was telling you at the beginning. The type of category is the type of a problem or a need that you have right now, why you want to get this money and you solve. So there are types of categories. If you click on the drop box, you're going to see different of them. Others are for calamities, others are for funeral expenses, others are for school fees, others you will get to see all of them. So choose the type of the category that you want. After that, you will confirm that you are not a robot, you're a human. If you're a human, for example, they might bring for you 2 plus 2. If you're a human, you will put equals 4. From there, you submit. The moment you submit this form, I know you're going to ask me, how do I access my money or my donation? Now it is already your money. Come on, girl, come on, boy. This money, you'll access it in different ways. One is paypal.me, whereby all of you know it. But unfortunately, some countries like Uganda, like Kenya, like Nigeria, you might not access it. If you cannot access this, then you can use others. There are different ways. And the easiest way I can say, using cryptocurrency wallet, where cryptocurrency wallet is where you find Ethereum and Bitcoin and others. So there I know you will not fail. I know you have more questions. What are the questions that you have about this beggingmoney.com? This begging money, you don't have to worry anything, because this money is there for you to be helped. There are people who are there to help you. I'm really sure, let me tell you the truth, no one is going to help you in your family 100%. There are these questions or there are these insults that you're going to get. You have abandoned us. You have disturbed us. Avoid those questions by using beggingmoney.com. If you know you are fully packaged and you don't need any assistance as far as finance is concerned, if you know you have been blessed by this video, please go down and hit the thumbs up. If you know you have been blessed by this video, please go down and hit you can also refer your friends. You can also refer this to your colleagues who have some of the challenges, even your village mate. By the way, there are people who are sick there in your village and they need this help. Thank you very much. If you can also refer your friends, you can also refer this to your colleagues who have some of the challenges, even your village mate. By the way, there are people who are sick there in your village and they need this help. Thank you very much.